Welcome to Silom Thai Cooking School. My name is Chin. I'll be your instructor today, okay?
For the market like that, okay? Let's take tuk-tuk first. Follow me, please.
Garlic here, you cook without skin, right? But we have Thai version. Thai garlic here, small but stronger smell, and we always cook with the skin like that, okay? Thai garlic. This basil smell like basil. You can put in the curry one like that, sweet basil, atin. And this one we call lemon basil, smell like lemon. You can put inside the soup one. And this one very useful for the who pregnant. This one increase the breast milk like that, okay? And next one we call finger ginger. It looks like finger here, finger ginger. This one smell like potato, and you can put in the curry, finger ginger. This one green papaya. Green papaya. Today we're going to use for Som Tam or papaya salad like that. Like green papaya. We have Thai version here also. More stronger smell. If you don't like Chinese one, maybe you don't like Thai version also. Okay. In Kosu and Thai Kosu.
We are so spicy.
Yeah. You have to do it like two together, and then you have to soak it until it's soft. After that, you spread it. You get tamarind paste for cooking, but you can buy it real nut. Means harder. But if you want more small, pour everything in. All the juice, all the meat, everything inside.
Okay.
And after that, you have to grab some meat like snowballs, squeeze and heat dry, and put the dry meat back to the bowl there like that. Okay?
No, I know.
I think all the other master of coconut here, Malaysian team also competition start. The secret come out.
You are the loser, Shara.
Sarah.
Yang ni tak cemerlang. Atem ni tak ajar ni semua.
Oh, ni sama dengan
We call Thai chili paste or Thai chili jam. Chili jam here inside the packet be like this. This one you can buy in fish sauce.
Fish oil.
I have to tell you, no fish sauce, no Thai.
Maka tak pernah jumpa serai.
Next one, galangal ginger.
Ni apa?
Smell good, right? Like Tom Yam soup or the massage.
jadi.
Untuk makan.
Another
Half
piece you
a
can
person.
put it back in the tray.
Ana.
Hana.
Semangat.
Bau tom yum.
It's one idea.
Oma doesn't like that. Think about the presentation. Make it.
Hah?
To make sure, right? Actually, you just put like a teaspoon. This one just like for me. You made the chili paste. The leg color coming out. And this time it's not hot much, so you can pass the phone to me. I can take a picture for you. Tom yum fish, tom yum pla. Can be tom yum kangaroo, can be tom yum crocodile. It's okay also. You will hear some word in Thai. Tom yum nam sai. Nam sai means clear soup, and nam khon means creamy soup like that. Almost finished, almost finished. Smiling, keep smiling. Keep smiling. Yeah, when you put in the rain. Or when you sometimes, yes, whatever that you like.
I want it to make it look like 200 baht.
Yeah.
Me too. Me also. I want to put the shrimp.
Coriander
Yes.
and the chili as well.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
I just want the tray.
Just a coriander.
Just a
Hot but not spicy.
Okay.
Ada nak apa?
Dah makan minum? Potong 4. Potong 8. Dengan tofu.
If the garlic don't dancing, you have to dancing for me. Okay. Really low. If you put high, the oil can be splashed like that. Very dangerous. Let you crack the egg, please. Okay. No need extra calcium. Don't put the shell. Until the egg dry. Until the egg dry. Some chicken don't kill much sugar. To kill.
Apa? Cepat, cepat.
And let's stir it. $500 one. The shrimp on the top. Wonderful.
Dia tak payah panas-panaskan minyak. Tu masuk je. Lepas tu,
You have to shake your head.
bersih,
It's
dah
nice.
masuk telur. Tapi nak masak punya tu. Dia buat ni untuk sematan kita lah. Ya ke? Kita kata ni apa ni?
Let's throw with the material like this, treating like this. But you can use the maybe one here like this one also to smash the hot ingredient. And the first thing, garlic here, put inside. Chilies. Maybe a little for medium spicy first. It's okay, right? Keep smiling, not you guys. Okay, put it here. And use the heavy one here to break it. Very dangerous. Last week is coming in my eyes. tomatoes. We will see the texture come like this, okay? If you don't have the mortar here, you can use a mixing bowl also. Just spread the ingredient first in the Ziploc bag, do the sauce separate and mix together like that. And the first seasoning, fish sauce again. Oh, maybe I like that. Can be fried, can be anything you like, okay? Or if you want to try the local style one, we add like a fermented fish that you see from the market, okay? But don't be worried if you cannot find this one because it's just a texture, don't have any taste at all. You can shake it like this.
Tekan kaki sini.
Like a robot dancing a little bit.
Yang cukup besar.
Like also, okay? But still, if you eat like that, I have to find the hospital nearby here. Too much.
Som Tam should be spicy, right?
It depends. For the kid cannot be spicy. But the spicy bit.
Kari Hijau.
And for the spice, here you need to toast it first. Toast it without water, without oil. Just dry fire like this with high flame, about 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds. Oh, until you hear the sound pop, 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 like a popcorn like that, okay? So the ladies, I believe in you. You have to go upstairs, toast it 30 seconds and come back again. We all believe in you, okay? Yes, they can throw into the you can?
엄마 맛있게 엄마.
And keep angry. For Thailand, please remember here. Angry, not correct.
Tetap tapi asin-asin.
And then you can give the tray back to me.
Senyum dia, senyum.
I want when you cook all of it. Maybe after class, it's gonna be boom boom in the toilet later.
Sikit ya. Sikit macam nak tahu baru pinggan tu je.
Medium. Like this?
Lagi bang.
Lagi.
Sama.
But you will see different color like this. The clear color here we call jasmine rice. Jasmine or normal rice. And how to make too. At the mango, you have to look at the dot here. This one, the position of the seed. And then you cut upper the seed. After that, you pop it up. Ta-da!
Tadi dia makan kecil dia jual.